Hello, Amit sir.
Hello.
Welcome to Hyderabad. So glad we have you here. We have Oscar here, Bruno, alias Oscar. So, sir, what made you do this film? What fundamentally, where is the inception of? Oh my God, where did it start?
I don't know. It just happened. It's not a what you can point out a single thing which that came to your mind and you start writing about it.
Right.
Very organically, it came to my mind that let's start writing something about that unconditional love which dog offers to you.
Right.
So it just happened that 4 years back I got a dog,
Right.
a small dog, and then I started raising him, and after a month I realized that it is not the dog who I'm not raising the dog is raising me, and that the change which dog brings to your family, even to your kids, you are not actually looking after the dog.
The dog is
The dog is looking after you, your family, your kids, and it slowly and slightly it is changing you. It changes you as a human. It gives you a new perspective towards life. You start looking at the things differently. Your whole life, or the center of your life, it now he becomes a part of it. So if you have to design something, if you have to plan something, you start planning according to him.
According to.
So after that, I went to so many places. I used to have that what you can say, pillow and everything in my car, that how he is going to enter in the. So I used to have the permission from the temple that I'm bringing my dog, whether you guys are going to allow my dog inside the temple. I went to Shirdi, I took the permission. I went to Kailasa temple. I made sure that the archaeological allows me to. Then I went to Krishneshwar Mandir. So I went there and I decided that I'm going to bring them along.
Right.
I'm going to bring them along. So now I started thinking, why I started thinking like that. I never used to think like that. So slowly and gradually, the change. ये प्यार कर रहा है बहुत.
Right.
Slowly and gradually, you start thinking the way he wants you to think. आपके बच्चे प्यार करने लगते हैं, आपके बच्चे चिल्लाना बंद कर देते हैं, उनकी एनर्जी सेंटर हो जाती है, उनका ऑरा ठीक हो जाता है.
Right.
Now he's enjoying the attention. He loves that attention now. He knows that he's being shot. In the shooting as well, जब सिद्धू लेके आया था उसको, he is the one who ये उसको प्यार करता है बहुत. तो जब ये थोड़े 2-3 दिन बाद उसको लगने लगा कि यार ये शूटिंग हो रही है, I have to come from this side. I should not cross the camera. I should be here. I shouldn't cross the camera. I shouldn't be jumping the axis. Or if you remember the climax sequence where the dog enters, he looks towards the doctors, then he jumps
onto the bed, the stretcher. लड़का का stretcher के ऊपर.
He sniffs the kid, and then he starts barking. And shall I tell you one thing? That's a magic which I have seen on the set. He is such a calm and a soft dog. He never barks. But for the first time, ferociously.
He showed his teeth.
Yeah, he the way he had. That's the reason we cut down the sound.
Okay.
If you अगर आप वो सुन लेंगे आप घर जाएंगे. So I wanted the audience or the kids shouldn't be afraid or scared of dog. कि बोलेंगे नहीं dog तो बहुत भौंकता है, वो काटता है. That's the reason the whole film he's just chasing the man. He's not biting him.
Right.
He's just scaring the person, and he's trying to shoo him away, or he's trying to make him run towards the spot where he has picked the boy, and where he has taken the boy.
Right.
He never bites
He never bites him. He
The
never
same way
hurts him.
Yeah, he never hurts him. So dog never hurts. The same he did in the camera as well. लेकिन लास्ट में जो उसने बार्किंग की थी वो इतनी इसमें थी, क्या बोलते हैं, ताकत के साथ थी. इट वाज सो पावरफुल एंड वो कर्णभेदी थी एकदम. मतलब वो आपके कान, and it was a small room. So we decided that नहीं, ये लोग डर जाएंगे. इसका चेहरा already it's so ruthless. He is looking so ruthlessly toward them. तो वो इतना विभत्स था, तो we decided that let's cut down the sound. Let's play with the music and let him bark.
Very nice.
अब ये एक्टर को आप बता सकते हैं इसको कैसे
बताएंगे. I mean,
but he did that.
That's so wonderful, sir. That's so wonderful to hear. ఈ సినిమా చేస్తున్నప్పుడు when you're doing this film, how did you cast the dogs? See, I know.
बस
स्टीरियो टाइप ऑफ कास्टिंग, ह्यूमंस तो हम जानते हैं, ऑडिशन के लिए आते देखते और एग्जिस्टिंग एक्टर्स को जो सूट करते उनको लेते అలా తీసుకుంటారు. ఈ dogs, how did you cast? How did you cast Oscar? How did you cast Momo? How was the process like after you are done writing or so?
No, in the writing process itself, while writing the film, they were in the film. Because I have seen my dog, he generally reacts on that shank.
Right.
When I used to sit on puja, he used to sit beside me. And he never touches anything which is to be offered to the god. In that way, dogs are very greedy. If you throw something, they will eat it.
Yeah.
But my dog,
In a regular organic
in a what you can say, in a deliberate way, that I have to cast this dog or the white dog. We used to scout for the dogs.
Okay.
So generally they used to bring those dogs. Those they used to supply for the for advertising films. The very fancy dogs. Because they should look beautiful.
Right.
If you see them in ads, they are very beautiful dogs. They're fluffy hairs and
All
everything.
very
And then very. So I thought that I'm writing a story about underdog and the street dogs. So I need to have those dogs, those who look very beautiful, those are very what you can say not fancy in nature.
Right.
So that's the reason indie dogs came into existence in the film. And I have to have my dog as an indie dog. So and he used to react on that shunk and everything. So while writing, that thing never came into my mind that I should write something about Shank and the puja. He used to react on Shank. That's the reason it came into the screenplay. So it is the other way
parallelly
around.
going
Yeah, it's not that I have written something and dog is going to react. Dog used to react on something. I wrote that. So it's a completely other way around.
Right.
So now when I saw him that वो चलते वक्त जब चलता है तो ये थोड़ा जब खड़ा होता है तो हल्के से थोड़ा पैर उठाता है वो. That itself was a very delicate moment. If you see him when they leave him confused in that circle, he just sit down with his this what his limb he just puts very slightly, and when he is standing he has just this thing वो थोड़ा ऊपर रखा हुआ है. That creates that empathy level for him, that he's running and all throughout the film he's running, and we start feeling for him because he's not able to stand. So it automatically came into existence. I haven't written deliberately that there is a dog जिसका एक पैर खराब है या जो उसका पैर थोड़ा deformed है. It was there, that's why it came into the script.
Right. So how did Oscar Bruno, how did he come, sir?
So this came as a boon. So we were hunting for almost 200-300 dogs, and I was completely unable to find such dog. There was one dog, a very black dog. So I loved him. But I thought that कि रात के shooting में तो फिर तो बहुत ही खराब दिखेगा. It will look very dark.
Yeah.
So let's drop that idea. And one fine day, when somebody introduced me to him, Sidhu Tambe.
Sidhu. Yeah.
So he is the one who grooms dog.
Okay.
He educates them in a way.
Nice,
He doesn't train them for films or ad. He just people send their dog, be it a Labrador or German Shepherd or
Home
indie dog.
dogs.
He has almost 29 dogs. The corporation has given him a place where he groomed them.
अच्छा.
So he had those dogs. I called him up and he told me that कि आप मेरे इधर मत आओ, आप उधर सामने फुटपाथ पे आओ, मैं आता हूँ. I was on the other side of the road. I thought that कि यार यहाँ dog को कैसे लेके आएगा ये? Because he had so many dogs in that shelter. When later on I visited that, I was so scared because there were so many different types of dogs were there. So वो लेके आया इसको और ये नीचे उतरा और he was without leash. He was not running away. He was without leash. He was standing on Activa. The way he looked at me, देखो भाई इधर, Oscar,
Right.
Bruno, देखो जरा यहाँ.
क्या
हाँ. छोड़. तो जैसे इसने देखा इसकी, there was something in his eyes.
Yeah.
So I clicked a photo and I decided that let's go. I didn't disclose this to any team member.
Yeah.
And later on I disclosed this to everybody that he is going to do that.
Yeah.
तो बोला सर और देखते हैं ना हम लोग, मिल जाएगा ना, ये तो ऐसे सिंगल डॉग, ये तो ट्रेंड भी नहीं है. How is going to do everything? So he was also very scared. बोला सर ये कर पाएगा ना. After 10-12 days he called me up and बोला सर रहने देते सर, मैं ये कर पाएगा क्या, फिर आप लोग का नुकसान हो जाएगा सर. अगर ये नहीं कर पाएगा तो आप बोल रहे हैं इधर जाने वाला है, ये ऐसे करेगा, ये पता नहीं कर पाएगा कि नहीं. बिकॉज इसने कभी कैमरा फेस ही नहीं किया है, तो आप इसको कैसे ले रहे. इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ डेब्यूटेंट एक्टर. That whether you are vouching on him and you are depending on him for the whole film, the whole half of your film is lying on him. So whether he's going to perform it or not, मतलब यार ये कर लेगा जरूर कर लेगा. But hats off to him, his spirit. But I remember one incident, the one there was a day when बहुत दौड़ा था ये.
Right.
And he was so tired. Like जैसे हम एक दिन जिम जाते हैं दूसरे दिन थक जाते हैं. So next day he called me at 5 o'clock in morning. He shot a video and showed it to me that कि सर आज तो नहीं कर पाएंगे. And you know that shooting is a very expensive business.
Right.
And we had a permission. तो बोला यार कैसे होगा? बोला सर ये चल ही नहीं पाएगा. ये थक गया है, ये धूप में जाके सो गया है. तो फिर बोला कि सर अभी ना आप इसको ना रोज 2-2 घंटे का आपको टुकड़ा करके करना पड़ेगा. मतलब क्या? हर लोकेशन पे हर दिन, मतलब एक लोकेशन में जहाँ 6 घंटे का काम है वो 3 बार जाना, मतलब 3 बार का परमिशन, मतलब 3 दिन. Then we decided नहीं हमको इसके हिसाब से करना. Then we changed the whole schedule. And then we used to shoot him as per his convenience. But later on he was so energetic कि फिर इसने फिर फटाफट करना शुरू कर दिया. I think लोग कहेंगे कि 10-12 दिन बड़ा होगा. मुझे लगता है 2 या 3 दिन ही शूटिंग का बड़ा था. जितना स्केड्यूल था उससे we almost went 2 days or 3 days ahead.
Right.
But rest अभी सेलिब्रेट हमने जब रैप अप किया था तो इसका शायद जन्मदिन मनाया था हमने.
Okay.
On the road itself, when Lalu Prasad Yadav son was there to celebrate that birthday. He came to that we are celebrating. He came. It was at midnight 3:30 when we shot the last sequence and we celebrated his birthday. But he was so friendly with everybody. Sandeep Jangam was my DA. He's my good friend. So he was so attached to him that कि जब last दिन जब खत्म हो गया shooting तो he was not ready to. We were deciding that कि इसको पूछते हैं यार ये हमको दे दे तू. Even ask him that कि मैं इसको ले बोला सर आपका एक डॉग आप इसको इतना प्यार करते हैं रहेगा ही नहीं वो इसके साथ, उससे झगड़ा करने लगेगा. आई स्टिल लव हिम सो मच. मेरे पास आता है, आपने देखा होगा जिस तरह से अफेक्शनेटली आता है. वो मेरा डॉग, हमने जब प्रोमो रिलीज किया तो उस दिन ये आया था. द मोमेंट ही स्टेप्ड ऑन द डायस ही स्टार्टेड बार्किंग. ये किसी पे नहीं भौंकता है, वो भौंकने लगा था. It's such a
How many days did you shoot, sir? कितने दिन?
For with him we shot it for 27 days. कितना? 28 दिन 26 दिन. 28 दिन. Some days he got off.
Okay. Sir,
With no vanity van and with no working hours.
नहीं, I have one question. See, I know parallelly आपका writing, casting, थोड़ा बहुत making ये सब साथ में చేస్తున్నారు మీరు. దీంట్లో నా క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే why indie dog? Fundamentally, when you are ready, you could also cast a breed dog, some good looking, very good looking. Even he's still good looking, but the so-called perception of good looking dog भी आप casting आप लिखने के टाइम में ले सकते थे. But still you chose indie dogs in both the stories. What is there any particular reason, sir?
I think Oscar is to be blamed for that. Oscar meant my Oscar. वो जिस तरह का प्यार मुझे लगा वो सारे डॉग ऐसे ही होते हैं. वो आपको इतना प्यार देते हैं कि फिर एंड मोर ओवर आई टेक माई सेल्फ एज एन अंडरडॉग इन द इंडस्ट्री. आई डोंट हैव एनी गॉडफादर इन द इंडस्ट्री. इट टुक मी ऑलमोस्ट 20 years to get into in the business and make a film and that too after making first film I was out of work for almost 13-14 years. So I take myself as an underdog. So why not to say the story of underdogs? So I take India as also underdogs. कि बाकी लोग को तो सब देख ही लेंगे, उनके लिए तो कोई ना कुछ है, इनके लिए कौन है? तो अब ये कहानी उनके लिए. तो अगर समझो इसके बाद अगर लोगों ने इनकी तरफ देखने का नजरिया बदल दिया सो मुझे लगता है फिर ऑस्कर उसके लिए और ये इसके लिए जिम्मेदार रहेंगे कि उन लोगों ने अपनी कहानी देखो. आई नेवर न्यू दैट a day will arrive in my life when these two stories coming in a film and there is one parallel story going on in country that people are shouting that remove them from the street and so ये तो coincide automatically हो गया. I don't know who has done that. Now at this particular point we both are on the same at the same juncture where I'm talking about the dog and there is nobody who is talking about the dog.
Right.
So people are talking about the dogs right now that people are नहीं यार लोगों को सुनना चाहिए. देखो ना इस फिल्म में वो अपनी जान देने को तैयार है उस बच्चे के लिए. And you are still not believing that dogs are meant to be your best friend. They are your best friend.
Right. Now we have a movie for them to see. To a backup plan. Now कोई ऐसे बोलेंगे कि निकालो पहले वो पिक्चर देखो.
Oh my dog.
हम ऐसे
वो अभी से ही बोलने लग गए हैं लोग.
नहीं हम बोलेंगे और भी बोलेंगे.
मेनका जी ने देखी फिल्म, उन्होंने बोला
मैं देखा.
हाँ मेनका गांधी जी ने देखी फिल्म, उन्होंने बोला कि मैंने ऐसी फिल्म ही नहीं आज तक देखी जो इनके बारे में कोई मतलब इनके बारे में बात करने वाली कोई एक फिल्म आई है जो मैंने ये सोच के की ही नहीं थी फिल्म,
Right.
वो इन्होंने ही करवाई.
Yeah. Sir, a movie में I have a few things, few doubts, few question marks that you left. Last में एक shot दिखाए आप
In snow.
ऊपर से the snow में there's a soldier who is fell and there's a dog that's barking. और starting में you have shown 4 puppies.
There's still story. I have 3 stories now.
Right.
Two
Is there a
stories of the
sequel?
two,
Oh my God! Oh my
I don't know
God!
whether it is sequel or not, but I wanted to always tell the story of Senapati.
Okay.
What type of dog she must be.
Yeah.
A sniffer dog,
Right. Right.
very cool and calm dog.
Mm-hmm.
और फिर उसके बच्चे ऐसे कैसे.
Mm-hmm.
तो now we have narrated story of Amar Akbar. There is one Anthony left.
अच्छा.
So then Nuri and then one Pluto is left now.
Right. Right.
So there are 2 dogs now
Yeah.
and one Senapati.
Right.
So if one fine day
Some
again,
prequel, sequel,
yeah,
spin-off.
because anything which come into my mind,
Right.
I will start writing about it.
Wonderful, wonderful. We're looking forward, sir. One thing, I've seen the film about some 5-6 days back. और बीच में भी एक बार देखा हूँ, 2 बार देखा हूँ पिक्चर. And I'm living this film. For this 1 week or so, I'm living this film. I get into my car, the Spotify automatically catches Oh My God, Oh My Dog वाला गाने. घर पे जाता हूँ, ये इसी के बारे में बात हो रहा है. बाहर जाता हूँ, मेरा काम पूरा रुक गया. Seriously, I'm not joking. And I am living this film and I want people to live this film, see this film, understand this film. I've seen one of your videos where you were telling, if you have a dog, you should watch the film. If you don't have it, you must watch the film. And I seriously wanted to tell that again to our people here in Telangana, that they have to go watch the film. आपका कुछ बोलना है सर?
नहीं, अगेन आई कम बैक टू द सेम थिंग दैट कि ये फिल्म आपने क्यों देखनी चाहिए. उसका इंटेंट सिर्फ बहुत क्लियर है. इट्स वेरी वेरी प्योर एंड वेरी पायस इंटेंट दैट व्हेन डॉग कम्स टू योर लाइफ एंड यू स्टार्ट लिविंग विद द डॉग, वो आपके आसपास एक ऐसी दुनिया बनाता है जो आप ही महसूस कर सकते हैं. द वे आई आंसर दैट प्रेस रिपोर्टर क्वेश्चन, दैट इफ यू आर इन लव, you are the only person who can understand it and explain it. Nobody else in the world would be able to say that.
Yeah.
So that empathy, that kindness, that loyalty, that unconditional love जो डॉग और आपके बीच में बनता है, अगर वो आपके बच्चे के साथ बनेगा ना, तो बच्चा ही आपका सबसे छोटा यूनिट है फैमिली का. वो जब इसके साथ बढ़ेगा, इसके साथ जिएगा ना, वही काइंडनेस वो स्कूल में भी ले जाएगा, वही एम्पैथी वो फैमिली में भी रखेगा, अपने रिलेशनशिप में भी रखेगा. इट इज़ वेरी एसेंशियल पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ एंड दैट डॉग ऑफर्स टू यू. भगवान ने बनाया इसके लिए था. देयर इज समबडी लुक्स टुवर्ड्स द टेम्पल and then somebody who looks towards the couch where he is sitting. It is one and the same thing. You just have to see the replica or the mirror image of it. Right. It is called God, it is called dog.
I remember one shot where Bruno comes to the temple, हनुमान जी का टेम्पल पे आने के बाद you've shown a close up of हनुमान जी और इसका उधर metaphorically, अरे what I mean, how could you bring the divine side of thing towards the dog? That's so weaved so well, so wonderfully well.
I don't know how this came to my mind. I think the savior God in whole Ramayana, you can't win a war if you don't have Hanuman. और रामायण हनुमान जी के बगैर कैसे पूरी होगी. वो सबसे जब विपत्ति आती है, जब संकट आता है, तो संकट मोचन तभी वो यू हैव ओनली वन गॉड इन योर होल दिस आपकी पूरी यूनिवर्स में. इसमें एक ही भगवान आपका ऐसा है जो मृत्यु से भी आपको वापस बचा के लाता है, वो हनुमान है. लक्ष्मण जब मृत्यु शैया पे होते हैं तो राम भी नहीं बचाते हैं उसको, वो हनुमान बचाते हैं उसको. हनुमान brings that sanjeevani and bring back to the Lakshman to life. Ram and Lakshman both. No, there are 2 incidences. Then when there is Sarbandhan happens, which Hanuman ji breaks that, and then Lakshman when
ये संजीवनी को लेके आने का जरूरत पड़ता है.
जब रावण मेघनाथ इसको लक्ष्मण जी को मारते हैं तब, तो वो मृत्यु को भी टाल देने वाले जो भगवान है. तो दैट्स वाई वो जब दोनों ही मरने वाले हैं ना, वो डॉग भी मरने वाला है और बच्चा भी मरने वाला है, और उसको हल करने के लिए दोनों ही फोटो में आपने देखा होगा Hanuman ji ka presence. The boy looks at the tree when there is no clue that where they have hidden that vehicle. So the moment somebody makes a sound on the tree, somebody says, "Yare Hanuman ji, there is a monkey on the tree," and the boy finds out the vehicle. So there is a presence of Hanuman in that story as well, and this story.
And
as
the
well.
story as well, yeah. That's
So that divine intervention automatically came into the film.
yeah. I mean,
And that mother also, when she tied the
when
knot,
she ties the
I have
knot.
seen my mother when she used to कुछ भी गुम हो जाता था, या आई हैव सीन द लेडीज इन माय विलेज, किसी का बच्चा गुम हो जाए तो दे यूज टू टाई द नॉट बाय द नेम ऑफ हनुमान जी, एंड दे यूज टू प्रे टू हिम दैट I will open this knot once I find my boy. Or even my mother, when she used to, उसका 100 rupees गुम हो जाता था, तो she used to tie the knot कि कहाँ रख दिया 100 rupees, and when she used to find it, they used to open the knot. So I use that notion to the film, that mother used to tie the knot, that कि जब तक मोमो नहीं मिलेगा, I will not open the knot.
nice. వెరీ నైస్ సార్. సార్ జబ్ మీరు ఇందాక చెప్తున్నారు టెంపుల్కి వెళ్తే యూ విల్ మేక్ ష్యూర్ ద డాగ్ ఈజ్ అలౌడ్. దిస్ ఈస్ సో సిమిలర్ టు ద మహాభారత్ స్టోరీ వేర్ ద ధర్మరాజ్ ఆస్ ఇంద్ర టు లెట్ హిస్ డాగ్ ఇన్.
Yeah,
Only if he lets in, he'll get into the heaven.
Yeah.
I think you are so driven by the dharma, and that is evidently shown in the film and told in the film. Mahabharat starts with
Yeah.
the dog and ends with the dog.
Actually, the name of the film, I started writing with this title, and for a briefly for some time we started calling it Dharma.
Acha.
Then our marketing people and then my distributor, he insisted that let's go back to the original title. That's a very catchy title, you should go with that title. So the film was based on Dharma, that the boy is obeying his, that's why the first slate comes, that if you obey your Dharma, Dharma will protect you.
Right.
So if I am doing the righteous thing, so nothing is going, I am not going to get harmed by anything. तो अगर मैंने अपना धर्म निभाया है तो ये भी अपना धर्म निभाएगा. इट्स वेरी बेसिक थॉट,
Right.
लिव एंड लेट लिव.
Yeah. Wonderful. తెలుగు సినిమాలు చూస్తారా మీరు? హైదరాబాద్ మూవీస్.
చూస్తారా మీరు तो मैं बोल सकता हूँ, वो तो सुन लिया मैंने. आई हैव बीन इन हैदराबाद almost 20 or 25 times.
Oh.
So the place where I am sitting, I have been here.
Right.
I was invited by Rana and Venki sir.
Okay.
We were supposed to do a film 8 years back.
Okay.
I tried to mount a film with Pawan ji, Pawan Kalyan and Ram as well,
Okay.
but nothing ever materialized.
Okay.
So I am one who knows Hyderabad in and out. Last film before starting the film, I was signed by Dil Raju to do a film on Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, when Shahid was supposed to play Shivaji, which Dil Raju was producing the film.
Okay.
So I know Hyderabad in and out, and I know the films in and out. Every film which comes out from South industry, be it Tamil film or Telugu
you
film.
follow all,
Yeah. From last 13 years.
Okay.
So the way you guys have taken over, so I know the whole story.
Sir, it's not I or you, sir. It is Indian cinema. We all.
Yeah. I also there, but वो ही कहते हैं ना, जो बच्चा पढ़ता है वही फर्स्ट आता है. So I immense respect for the makers here, and मैं जब भी कोई फिल्म आती है तो मैं I make sure that I call them. ऐसे 10 लोग तो मेरा नाम अभी बता सकता हूँ, जैसे विजय सेतुपति हो गए, राणा हो गए, रामचरण,
Venki.
राजामौली सर, MM किरवानी सर फॉर द म्यूजिक. देन मलयालम में तो जितने एक्टर अभी जो आए हैं, जितने सब नई ब्रीड आई है, वो जॉर्ज हो या सीजू हो या चिदम्बरम हो या जितने लोग हो.
सर, आपका जानकारी मेरे से ज्यादा है साउथ के बारे में.
So I have seen every other film, and I generally have the habit of finding out the number and calling them.
Wonderful.
कि जैसे जिन्होंने महाराजा बनाई थी उनके मेकर्स को भी कॉल किया था मैं, अनुराग को फ़ोन करके उसका नंबर लिया मैंने. देन वन पर्टिकुलरली फिल्म मेकर विच आई, जैसे मारी सेल्वराजन एंड वेट्री मेरान, दीज टू फिल्म मेकर्स विच आई हैव इमेंस रिस्पेक्ट फॉर देयर क्राफ्ट एंड द फिल्म्स. ऑफ कोर्स राजामौली सर तो वो हमारे लिए भगवान जैसे हैं. मतलब उनके मैं लास्ट टाइम मैंने राणा सर को जब मैंने उनकी बाहुबली के बारे में पूरा डिस्क्रिप्शन, जब when I that was the first time when I came to Hyderabad. So I narrated the whole thing which he must have designed while writing. उनके पापा ने जब लिखा है, so he was completely surprised that कि यार ये तो हमको भी नहीं पता है जो आप बता रहे हैं. The why he has taken that shot, There is one particular shot when he is holding that ship and that एक किनारे पे एक लकड़ी का फट्टा है and अनुष्का walks down from this
To
Yeah,
the
yeah.
other hand. हाँ.
तो वो मैंने उनको बताया कि वो जानबूझ के किया गया है. Now this man is going to bridge between the family and the kingdom. कि अभी वहाँ जाएगी उसके बाद ये अलग होने वाला है फैमिली से. The way he has conceived his stories and basically rooted in our culture, be it RRR or whatever film he had now again the Varanasi one.
Right.
So I know that where he is coming from, I can read him inside his mind that
Right.
what he must be thinking while doing that, and that eventually got reflected from his earlier creations. जो भी फिल्में मैंने उनको देखी हैं, तो you know a maker through his films.
Right.
The way I know Mari Selvararajan और this वेट्री मेनन कि वो जो फिल्में बनाते हैं मैं उनको उससे पहचानता हूँ. That becomes the what you can say visiting card for me. I know that person through their films. I don't know them personally. तो मेरे लिए वो सारी मूर्तियाँ अलग अलग हैं.
Yeah. So nice, sir. Sir, we are looking forward. We are already celebrating your film, and we are looking forward. And I am sure this is going to gain a lot of respect, lot of love, and the box office is also doing day by day. It's growing so well, and I'm sure this is going to be on the top list. जो इंडिया में जो ये IMDb टॉप रेटिंग में, आई एम श्योर दिस इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू टेक दैट प्लेस, एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी टू हैव यू हियर, एंड आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर ऑल दैट यू आर डूइंग, एंड वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर योर फ्यूचर फिल्म्स.
Thank you for having me, and thank you Hyderabad. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.